Welcome back to Auto Sandbox, where we discuss common car issues and solutions. Today, we're diving into a topic that can leave you stranded if not addressed: car battery problems. Let's get started. Signs of a weak battery. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about some telltale signs that your car battery might be weak or failing. Look out for these red flags. 1. Slow cranking. If your engine takes longer than usual to start or you hear a sluggish cranking sound, it could indicate a weak battery. 2. Dim lights. Are your headlights and interior lights noticeably dimmer than usual? That's another sign of a struggling battery. 3. Electrical issues. Flickering dashboard lights, erratic power windows, and malfunctioning electronics can all be linked to battery problems. 4. Warning light. If your battery warning light illuminates on the dashboard, it's time to pay attention to your battery health. Common battery problems. Now that we know the signs, let's explore some common car battery problems. 1. Corrosion. Over time, a buildup of corrosion on the battery terminals can disrupt the flow of electricity, leading to starting issues. 2. Low fluid levels. Some car batteries have removable caps that allow you to check the fluid levels inside. Low fluid levels can impact the battery's performance. 3. Dead battery. A dead battery can occur if lights or accessories are left on when the engine is off, or if the battery has reached the end of its life cycle. 4. Faulty alternator. While the alternator isn't part of the battery itself, it plays a crucial role in keeping the battery charged. A faulty alternator can cause battery problems. Troubleshooting and solutions. It is now time to tackle these battery issues head-on. But remember, safety first. If you're unsure or uncomfortable with any of these steps, consult a professional mechanic. 1. Cleaning battery terminals. Regularly clean the battery terminals using a mixture of baking soda and water to remove corrosion and ensure a good electrical connection. 2. Check fluid levels. If your battery allows, check and top up the fluid levels with distilled water if necessary. 3. Jump-starting your car. If you encounter a dead battery, jump-starting your car using jumper cables and a working vehicle can get you going temporarily. 4. Replacing the battery. If your battery is beyond repair or several years old, it might be time for a replacement. Choose a battery with the right specifications for your car. 5. Alternator test. If you've ruled out other issues, have your alternator tested to ensure it's charging the battery correctly. There you have it, folks. Car battery problems don't have to be daunting. By recognizing the signs and taking proactive steps, you can keep your battery in top-notch condition and avoid being stranded on the side of the road. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share and hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more car care tips and tricks. Have any battery stories to share or questions about your car's battery health? Drop a comment below, and let's chat. Until next time, safe driving and happy motoring.